We all know KYC is the first step towards investing in mutual funds. However, recent changes have highlighted the importance of a validated KYC status to ensure a smooth investment experience. As of April 1, 2024, a validated mutual fund KYC, Know Your Customer status, is mandatory for all investors. Wondering how to check and validate your KYC to seamlessly continue your mutual fund journey? In this video, let us delve into the background of KYC to understand why this has become important for all mutual fund investors. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Under the Prevention of Money Laundering Maintenance of Record Rule 2005, mutual fund investors who used non-officially valid documents OBDs for KYC verification had to update their KYC by March 31st, 2024. OBD stands for Officially Valid Documents Used for KYC Verification. OBDs are government-issued documents accepted for KYC verification. These include passports, driving license, Aadhaar card, voter ID, NREGA job card signed by the state government officers, a national population register letter with address details, and any other notified by the central government. Therefore, if you previously completed your KYC using these OBDs, you will need to update your KYC based on your PAN status by the deadline. How to check your mutual fund status online? Quick and easy step. Check your mutual fund KYC status online in minutes. Head to the CVL KRA website and navigate to the KYC inquiry tab. Enter your PAN number, complete the human verification step, and click submit. Your KYC status will be displayed on the screen. Now let us look at the different status and their implications. When checking for your KYC status online, you may encounter 4 different status types. Here is what each of these status means. First, KYC validated. This indicates that your OBD data has been verified with the issuing authority such as UIDAI. Your PAN and Aadhaar linking is completed and your email ID and mobile number have also been validated. Next, KYC registered. This status means that while your Aadhaar OBD data couldn't be verified with UIDAI, your PAN Aadhaar linking is in place. Your email and mobile number has been validated. Next, KYC on hold. This indicates that the provided proof couldn't be validated with the issuing authority and your email and mobile number is yet to be validated. Next, on hold. This status is shown when there are issues with the contact details provided regardless of the OBD validated. Now we shall look at the next course of action to be taken based on your KYC status. Using Aadhaar for KYC. Resulting status, KYC validated. If your KYC is validated using Aadhaar, your status will display as KYC validated. Investors can continue transaction with their existing funds and can also invest in new ones. And physical Aadhaar for KYC. Resulting status, KYC registered. With a KYC registered status, it means your Aadhaar isn't verified but your contact details are verified. Investors who want to invest with a new AMC should submit a scannable Aadhaar copy for validation. Existing investor with a registered or validated status as of March 31, 2024 face no changes. Next, non-Aadhaar OBD used. Resulting status, KYC registered. With a KYC registered status, your proof couldn't be validated but your email and mobile are validated. Existing mutual fund transactions remain unaffected. For new investments, complete the Aadhaar KYC online to avoid re-KYC. Next, non-Aadhaar OBD used. Resulting status, KYC on hold. For KYC on hold, your proof isn't validated and your email and mobile are not verified. Update valid email mobile details and complete Aadhaar KYC online to resolve. Next, deemed OBDs not allowed. Resulting status, KYC registered. For KYC registered, your proof isn't validated but your email and mobile are verified. Existing mutual fund transactions remain unaffected. For new investment, complete Aadhaar or allowed OBD KYC online to avoid re-KYC. Next, deemed OBDs not allowed. Resulting status, KYC on hold. With KYC on hold, all transactions are restricted. Submit valid email and mobile or PAN Aadhaar link details to resolve. Complete Aadhaar KYC online to avoid further issues. Next, non-OBDs used. Resulting status on hold. All transactions are restricted. Submit valid email and mobile or PAN Aadhaar link details. Complete Aadhaar KYC online for resolution. Next, invalid contact details. Resulting status on hold. Transactions are restricted. Provide correct contact details before transacting. Complete Aadhaar KYC online for resolution. Here is the final step to be taken. Prioritize your KYC status. Check your KYC status today and invest with confidence. Verifying your KYC status is crucial for seamless mutual fund investment experience. If your status isn't validated, we recommend updating it using your Aadhaar document and confirming your contact details. You can conveniently complete the KYC process online through some fund houses websites like Quantum or UTI. Remember, whether you do it online or offline, the updated KYC will reflect across all your mutual fund investments with various AMCs, that is asset management companies. Ensure your PAN and Aadhaar are linked to avoid any roadblocks during the process. By following these steps and prioritizing your KYC status, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience when investing in mutual funds. You will benefit from a streamlined investment process and potentially access to a wide range of investment options. A detailed blog post on this topic is available in our website and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming Enlightening Investment Webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.